question from one of the subscribers on how to straighten out this type of wire, the one that's on the rolls, this type, any kind of type that's on a roll that's not aluminum. And if you disconnect this and just let it go, the roll's pretty much done. Not everyone has a board to keep it straight, and you pretty much just cut as you go and you toss it aside. So I'm going to show you, when you're done, how to straighten it. It's very simple. And I'm just going to demonstrate real quick what I'm talking about with this wire. Usually if I'm measuring and cutting, this is a 16-inch. I always have to keep my finger on here to keep it from coming apart. So I'll measure it out, hold my finger, then hold the finger again, and cut. Now, if I lost that, it would unwind. It's a hot mess, and we don't need that. So I'm going to put this back into the hole. And anyone interested in buying these wire in bulk like this, save a lot of money, I'll have the link for you in the description. Okay, so now, whoop, you have all this wire. You want to straighten it out to make your tray. And what you're going to have to do is you're going to grab every single wire at one end. And just to save time on this video, I'm going to go ahead and do it and fast forward to when I'm done. You have all your wire, and it's all measured correctly. It's still in this jumbled mess. Some people use a drill and spin it around, that type of thing. Personally, if you're making trees or any type of manipulating your wire, I don't see the point in that. It's just a waste of time. You just want it straightened out. So what you're going to do very carefully, God, what a mess, is you're going to grab it here. And all we're doing, basically, is you're just gently, as you go down, just bending it a little bit like that with your thumbs. Just to get all that curled tension off. And you just go all the way down. Doesn't matter how much wire you have in your hand. It's going to do the same thing. It's just going to straighten it out. And this way it's much easier to work with. It won't be perfectly straight, but it's not going to be when you're manipulating it anyway. So that's how you get your round wires. Big roll, little roll, doesnmal matter. So it's not out of control. That's how you straighten it. Thank you for watching, and the bulk wire link to purchase will be in the description.